Remember when online courses were seen as the lazy person's shortcut? Like, oh, you didn't get a degree? Yeah, those days are gone. Today I'm spilling the tea on the online certifications employers actually care about. The ones that'll get you interviews, promotions, and serious credibility. If you've ever stared at a Coursera page wondering, is this even worth it? This one's for you. Let's go. Hi, I'm Dipti, co-founder of Course Correct, a platform to help you find a career that fulfills you. First off, do employers really care about online certifications? The short answer, yes. The long answer, a survey showed that 95% of employers see value in their employees getting micro credentials. And it's not just because they show skills, but because they show drive, that I'm willing to level up energy. And trust me, that's hot in HR. So let's talk about what are some courses that steal the show, backed by real salary data, job roles, and what you'll actually learn. Number 1, if I was starting from scratch in tech, no computer science degree, no fancy internship, I'd start here. The Google IT Support Certificate on Coursera. It's super beginner friendly. You learn things like how computers and networks work, basics of system administration, how to troubleshoot real tech issues, and it's built by actual Googlers. Plus, it's hands-on, not just someone talking over slides. In terms of job roles, after this course, you can target roles like IT support specialist, help desk technician, desktop support associate, etc. In the US, these roles typically start between $45,000 to $65,000, and with experience, you can grow into more advanced roles like system admin at $80,000 plus range. It takes about 6 months if you do 10 hours per week. It's on Coursera Plus, so if you're already subscribed, it's included. Here's a pro tip. People on Reddit rave about the labs. It's not just theory, you're actually clicking through real tasks, which makes it easier to talk about in interviews. The second one in the list is IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. If you're even remotely curious about data science, the buzzword that everyone from Netflix to your local supermarket is using, this one's gold. The IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. What you learn is Python for data analysis, how to work with Pandas, NumPy, and Jupyter notebooks, data visualization with tools like Matplotlib. And IBM designed it to take you from zero to job ready. You even build a capstone project using real-world data sets. In terms of job roles, you can target data analyst, junior data scientist, business intelligence analyst, and the salary range for entry-level roles start at $65,000 to $85,000 a year, and mid-level data scientists easily make over $100,000, especially if you work in tech or finance. So this takes about 4 months with a 10-hour per week kind of pace, and it's available on Coursera. Here's an insider Reddit buzz. People say this course made it way easier to transition careers, especially if they were coming from non-tech backgrounds like marketing or academia. If data makes you curious and you love storytelling with numbers, this one's a no-brainer. And if you feel like there are so many courses out there, how do you know which one's for you? That's where Course Correct comes in. Chat with the trusted AI to zero down on a course that's based on your skill levels, experience, and aspirations, a perfect match. It basically sifts through the chaos, like it goes through reviews, Reddit threads, job boards, and tells you which courses are actually helpful for landing real jobs, not just collecting certificates. It's like what Rotten Tomatoes did for movies, but this is for online learning. I've shared the link to Course Correct in the description below. Let's talk about the third one on the list. So if you've even been slightly curious about the cloud, and let's be honest, everything runs on the cloud now, this one's a beast. The AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate Certification. This course teaches you how cloud infrastructure works, like compute, storage, networking, etc., and then designing scalable systems on AWS, hands-on practice with services like EC2, S3, RDS, and more. You don't need to be a hardcore coder. Just comfortable with basic tech concepts. In terms of job roles, you can look at Cloud Solutions Architect, cloud support engineer, DevOps associate, etc. And in terms of salary range, this one's seriously lucrative. Starting roles often hit $90,000 to $120,000, and experienced cloud architects could go well beyond $150,000 in the US. So what does Reddit say about this certificate? AWS certificates are kind of a golden ticket right now. Tons of Redditors say this certification helped them get interviews even without a traditional CS degree. By the way, heads up, this one's tough. But if you follow a structured course like the one by Adrian Cantrell or Stephanie Marek on Udemy, it's totally doable in 2 to 3 months. The next one. Alright, now let's dive into something that's super important in today's tech-driven world. Cybersecurity. If you're serious about securing networks, systems, and protecting critical data, then the CISSP certificate is the way to go. In terms of job roles, you can target information security analyst, security engineer, cybersecurity architect, IT security consultant, etc. And CISSP is a heavyweight in the cybersecurity world. Salaries range from $90,000 for entry-level roles to $150,000 for experienced professionals in high-demand areas like banking or tech. So what does Reddit say? The CISSP exam is no joke. It's a marathon. But folks who pass it rave about the doors it opens for them. Many say that it gave them access to high-level roles they couldn't have landed without it. Again, a heads up for this one, it's not for beginners. You'll need at least 5 years of work experience in information security, and the exam can be tough. But if you're already in the field and want to level up, this certificate is gold. Let's talk about the next one. Okay, not everyone wants to code. If you're more into organizing, planning, and leading teams, this one's for you. The Project Management Professional Certification by PMI. What you learn is project planning and scheduling, risk management, budgeting and team leadership, agile and waterfall methodologies. It's one of the most respected certificates in the business world. In terms of job roles, you can look at being a project manager, a program manager, operations lead. In terms of salary range, PMI's own data shows that PMP certified pros earn 25% more than non-certified ones. Salaries range from $80,000 to $120,000 depending on your industry. And here's a nerdy note. You'll need 3+ years of experience managing projects before you take the exam. But if you already qualify, it can seriously fast-track your leadership career. So if you're thinking of switching careers or upskilling without spending a fortune, these 5 courses are seriously worth looking into. Here's a quick recap. Google IT support, great for entry-level tech, $45,000 to $65,000 a year. IBM data science, beginner-friendly, $65,000 to $100,000 a year. AWS Solutions Architect Cloud roles $90,000 to $150,000 a year. CISSP Cybersecurity Leadership $90,000 to $150,000 a year, and PMP Project Leadership $80,000 to $120,000 a year. So pick one based on your interests, your strengths, and where you want to grow. And if you're thinking, I have a full-time job and a social life I very much enjoy, where's the time to upskill? Watch this video on tricks to upskill with a full-time job. And hey, let me know in the comments which ones you're considering. I'll see you in the next one.